announce who won the golden soccer ball and the golden tray. So the golden soccer ball this week, this grade did a really good job. I had multiple people tell me that they did a good job, especially with all the snow outside. They followed the rules for that. So this week, the golden soccer ball goes to 3rd grade!
Woo! Hey, Miss Snell, let's do the cheer that we just learned from Miss Pimp's class.
Okay, ready? Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Great job,
Good job, 3rd grade. All right, and the golden baskets. Mr. Eric said that this week, the grade that did really well in the cafeteria with following expectations was, drum roll, 1st grade! Woo!
Great!
Good job, 1st grade.
What cheer should we do, Miss Snell?
Let's do the Harry Potter cheer.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Wands out. Terrific!
Way to go, 1st grade! Okay, boys and girls, our focus for PBIS for next week is being respectful and responsible in the cafeteria. What does that mean?
I'm pretty sure it means that we shouldn't be yelling or talking really loud, right?
Yeah, I would think so.
Yeah.
And how about cleaning up after yourself? When you're finished eating, you're picking up all of your trash, all of your food, and you're taking it over to the garbage can.
Yep, and you're walking in the cafeteria and making sure you're going on the right path.
Awesome. Okay. A couple of things that we wanted to mention. Boys and girls, snowballs. We've talked about snowballs. We don't throw snowballs at school. That's against our school rules. You might think that kind of sounds silly because it sounds like it would be fun, but what happens if you go outside and you make this really nice snowball and there's some ice in it, and you throw it and you hit someone and it hurts them? Then what? That's why we decided we just keep snow on the ground. We don't throw snowballs when we're at school. The snow just stays on the ground.
No kicking the snow, no throwing it up in the air. Snow stays on the ground.
And this is really important. What happens if I don't feel good and I'm feeling sick? Should I be coming to school?
No.
No. So if you feel sick, you need to tell your mom and dad that you're not feeling good and you need to stay home from school. We don't want kids coming to school that are sick because we want to keep everyone healthy and safe at school. If you want to wear a mask and you don't have one at home, come and check the office. We've heard that we might need to be wearing masks starting on Monday at school. So if you need masks, you need to stop by the office and we're happy to give you a mask. Or just let your teacher know and your teacher can get a mask for you. So make sure that you're doing your part. Wash your hands, cover your mouth when you cough, and stay home when you're sick. Thanks, Walker Wolves. Have a great week.